Hi, this is Alodia. Happy birthday to Arkishara. Hope you have a wonderful day on your special day.
Hi Arkishra, happy birthday and I wish you all the best. God bless.
Hi Arkishra, it's James. I just want to wish you a happy birthday and hope you have a great time. Okay.
Hello, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kish. Hello ate, happy 7th birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health, more birthdays to come, malayo sa sakit, bita ko sa Diyos, and then lumaki masipag. Lagi mo tatandaan, lalab na lang ka namin ni Mama, ni Aye, ha? I love you ate, happy birthday, enjoy!
Hi Ate Kish! Happy 7th birthday! Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayon with your Mommy Ella and of course sa mga visitors mo ngayon. Wish ko for you ate is palaging makinig sa Mommy at sa Daddy, huwag matigas ang ulo ha. Tsaka mag-aral na mabuti. Palagi mong tatandaan na mahal ka ng Mommy mo tsaka ng Daddy mo. Hindi naman sila madalas na nakakasama. Palagi mong tatandaan na lahat ng ginagawa nila is para sa kinabukasan mo. I love you ate. Happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Hi Arkishra, this is Ate Janella. Happy birthday to you, and of course thank you so much for supporting me. I wish you all the best and sana lagi kang makikinig sa mami mo. You have such an amazing mom and you're very blessed to have her. God bless you and I hope to meet you soon. Happy birthday!
Happy 7th birthday, Arkishra! Ayan, making it kay baby. God bless you and Happy New Year!
Hi, Arkisha. Happy birthday sa'yo and hope to see you soon.
Happy 7th birthday, Arkisha!
Hi Arkishra, happy 7th birthday. I wish you all the best and good luck with all your endeavors.
Arkishra, happy 7th birthday sa'yo. God bless and more blessings. Happy birthday. I love you.
Arkishra, happy 7th birthday sa'yo ha. Konting taon na lang alam mo na, ingat ka ha. Aral mabuti, makinig ng mabuti sa magulang. God bless you.
Surprise! Si Amazing Betong po ito at gustong batiin ang ng happy 7th birthday si Arkishra. Arkishra. Yun, Arkishra, what a beautiful name. Naku, sana lumaki kang mabait na bata. Sana naiintindihan mo itong message ko, ha? Lagi kang maging mabait na bata, sundin mo palagi mga pera mo, mag-aral ka mabuti. At syempre, lagi ka mag-pray, Arkishra, maralay ka. Amazing.
Hi, happy 7th birthday, Kish.
Happy birthday! Hello, bro!
Wow, di ba? Thank you, Kish. Kish, enjoy your birthday. God bless.
Hi Princess Arkishra! Happy birthday! It's your special day today. It's your 7th birthday. Ang wish ko lang, mag-aral kang mabuti, tsaka lagi kang maging masaya, good health, and I may not be your biological father, but I will try my very best to be a father to you. Tandaan mo, laging andito lang kami ni Mami para i-guide ka and to have a good life. Have a good life. And mahal na mahal ko kayo ni Mami mo. Lagi mong tatandaan yun. Happy birthday. I love you.